Guys, again here at Foton company. This is at Foton company. You see a lot of tractor trucks, 6x4, Oman brand, Oman brand. So that's amazing. Yeah. Let me show more closer. So I'll go a little bit closer to show you those trucks to you. Like this one, 6x4 tractor truck. The other one is a dump truck. By the way, this is operated on CNG, so Foton also has CNG one. I don't have an idea. Oh, 8x4. So guys, I don't have any idea right now about the prices because the representative is not here right now. I will now ask. So here guys, I'm at Foton company. This is their last model, the best model, 660 horsepower. It has sensor cameras on front, like here, and it also has special equipment that it will not leave the truck to move off the road. So if, let's say, the driver has problems with driving the truck, so the sensor will immediately make him to go to the direct road. There is the system, the camera in the middle. You see that? That's one. So it is 660 horsepower, very strong one. So this is made of stainless steel. Yeah, very, 2 millimeter stainless steel. That's an amazing one. So, yeah, let's go on and see the truck more in details.
Here is the full-size toolbox. For here, for this side, this door. For the tire, it's using the Goodyear.
Yeah, Goodyear tire used. So, and as you see, the total weight is 40,000 kilograms. So this special tire reduces noise and fuel consumption. So it's kind of noiseless tire. Yeah. So and yeah, this is a diesel one. So the lady of the Foton company is now introducing the truck. I'm now repeating word by word what she says. Guys, this truck has two fuel tanks. So one is for 800, the other is for 300. This is used, so totally 1,100 liters diesel one. So this is used, for instance, for some countries, you need to fill the tank with antifreeze fuel. You can use that one, and inside it has a button that you can switch which fuel to use to run the truck. And this has also an air suspension system. When the truck hits something, so the cabin will have the capacity to move for 2 meters to protect the driver or the passenger sitting inside. Let's see inside the cabin, inside of the truck. So this is awesome, guys. A fantastic one. So yeah, I'm here sitting at the wheel. Perfect one. So here is the inside, the monitor. Wow, look at the, oh, such a big, two people really I think can sleep here, and one on the above, so two berths, in fact. Yeah, a lot of buttons. I don't know what they do. Totally electric system. Look at the switcher, the transmission system. Sorry, yeah, the power with the button, stereo system. Fantastic. I think this is the truck. That's an amazing truck.